Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to expand expressions. Expand just means get rid of the brackets by multiplying everything inside the brackets by what's on the outside. So with question A, we have minus 3 times x, which is minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 5, which is positive 15. Question B says 2x times 1, which is 2x, 2x times minus x, which is minus 2x squared. Question C. 2 over 7 times 14x, 2 times 14 is 28, 28 divided by 7 is 4, so that gives us 4x. And 2 over 7 times 3 is positive 6 over 7. Question D. Let's expand these separately and then we will collect like terms. So x times 2x is 2x squared, x times minus 1 is minus x, minus x times 3 is minus 3x, minus x times minus x is positive x squared. Here are our like terms. 2x squared and plus x squared, which is equal to 3x squared, and minus x minus 3x are also like terms. Minus x minus 3x is minus 4x. Question E. Here we have a binomial product, so we need to use the FOIL method. First, outside, inside, last. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 4 is 20. Collect our like terms. X squared plus 9x plus 20. Question F is exactly the same. FOIL method. First outside, inside, last. 3x times 7x is 21x squared. 3x times 9 is 27x. Minus 2 times 7x is minus 14x. Minus 2 times positive 9 is negative 18. Collect our like terms. 21x squared plus 13x, because 27 minus 14 is 13, minus 18. Question G is a perfect square. This is a perfect square because we have x minus 9 all squared, which means x minus 9 times itself, x minus 9. Again, you can use the FOIL method. This equals to x squared minus 9x minus 9x plus 81. Collect our like terms. X squared minus 18x plus 81. Now, I taught a shortcut before of how to get straight to the answer. This only works for perfect squares. We square the first term. We multiply everything. X times minus 9 is minus 9x times 2 is minus 18x. And then we square the second term. Minus 9 times minus 9 is positive 81. And that gets you the answer straight away. Question H, we're going to do the same thing. It is a perfect square. Which means I'm going to do the shortcut method. I'm going to square the first term, 9x squared. I'm going to multiply 3x, positive 4, and 2. 3x times 4 is 12x times 2 is 24x. And then I'm going to square the second term, which is positive 16. Question I is a difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Because they look exactly the same, except one of them is a plus, one of them is a minus. We can use the FOIL method. If we use the FOIL method, 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times minus 1 is minus 2x. 1 times 2x is 2x. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. When we collect our like terms, they cancel each other out. Minus 2x plus 2x is 0. That leaves us with 4x squared minus 1. The shortcut method for this is, as soon as you recognize it's a difference of two squares, square the first term, put a minus sign, square the second term, and that's our final answer. You can see here it's a difference, because of the minus, of two squares. The first square is 2x by 2x. The second square is 1 by 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. Question J is also a difference of two squares. So, I'm going to use the shortcut method. I'm going to square the first term, put my minus sign, square the second term. And that's it. Question K. I'm going to expand the brackets first using the FOIL method, and then I'll times everything by 6. So we got 6 lots of x times x is x squared. X times minus 8 is minus 8x. Minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Minus 3 times minus 8 is positive 24. Collect like terms. 6 outside of x squared minus 11x plus 24. Now we can multiply everything inside of the brackets by the 6. That gives us 6x squared minus 66x plus 144. Question L. Here we have a perfect square minus a perfect square plus a difference of two squares. So I'm just going to write that in. A perfect square minus a perfect square plus a difference of two squares. So x plus y all squared, perfect square. That gives us square the first term, multiply x, y, and 2. X times y is xy, times 2 is 2xy. Square the second term is y squared. Then we need to minus. Because we're minusing more than one thing, we need to put in brackets. So, square the first term, multiply x minus x and 2. X times minus y is minus xy, times 2 is minus 2xy. Square the second term is plus y squared. Difference of two squares. Square the first term, put a minus sign, square the second term. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of these brackets by changing all the signs inside the brackets. So pretend there's an imaginary 1 outside here. I'm just going to rewrite the first part, x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Minus 1 times x squared is minus x squared. Minus 1 times minus 2xy is positive 2xy. Minus 1 times positive y squared is minus y squared. And now I'll just continue writing this. X squared minus y squared. And now we can collect like terms. So x squared minus x squared is 0, plus x squared is x squared. 2xy plus 2xy is 4xy. Y squared minus y squared is 0. 0 minus y squared is minus y squared. And that's it.